Hi friends, today we'll discuss pre-generated kits in bank. So what is PGK or PPK? So in some banks they'll call it as pre-generated kit or pre-printed kit. Pre-printed kit. Unique kit number that gets mapped with your account number for bank reference. After submitting KYC document and application form, this kit will be given to the customer. Issued for savings bank account for current customers. Normally account number will be provided after account opening, but in PGK and PPK already number will be generated. PPK before account opening number will be generated. So normally when you go to a branch of a bank and you ask for the account opening, normally what happens? You will fill the opening form, you will submit the photo, you will submit the KYC document. After 2-3 days, your account number will be generated and it will be sent directly to your house address or communication address. But PGK or PPK are pre-generated. Already account number will be generated and it will not be linked to any customer. So once customer comes to the branch, these kit will be given to the customer. So already account number is generated and given to the customer. Customer will submit the KYC documents. Later these details will be linked to the customer and your KYC details will be entered into the system. So what contains in the kit? So what are the items available in the kit? Check book, not personalized. If it is a personalized check, your name will be there on the check. So you will have a checkbook. Debit card also non-personalized checkbook, non-personalized debit card, because your name will not be printed on the debit card because these are already pre-generated. Internet banking user ID password, welcome letter, product information, the products available with the bank. It may be savings account, current account, FD, loans, all the details will be contained in a pamphlet. What are the charges applicable? Maybe check bounce charges or annual maintenance charges, debit card charges, all the charges will be mentioned in that kit, and all the facilities. You can buy mutual funds, you can buy shares or internet banking, mobile bank, all other facilities, DDs, check, pay orders. So all the facility, locker facility, these facilities, what are the facilities available with that bank? They'll mention in a pamphlet and they'll keep it in a pre-generated kit or pre-printed kit. Can I use immediately? So if I go to branch and get the kit and I have submitted my KYC, can I use the kit immediately? So I have a checkbook, I have a debit card, I have internet pin. No, you can't use immediately. After your KYC verification and upload it into the system, then only you can use this kit. What is personalized checkbook? See, we said in kit all non-personalized checks will be available. What is personalized checks? So customer name along with the account number, customer ID, address, etc. is printed on the first page of the checkbook. So your name will be printed on the checkbook and first page. Non-personalized, there won't be any customer details. PGK contains non-personalized checkbook. Sample PGK or PPK you can see. So you can see like a kit number will be there and customer name will not be there on the kit. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.